Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah, it's already seen here.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Valencia from Laboratory of Fish Genetic and Reproduction, Department of Aquaculture, IPB University, Bogor in Indonesia. We would like to represent our research entitled The Dietary Supplementation Effectivity of Bacillus sp. 5 Probiotic in the Spermatogenesis and Milk Quality of Immature Male Catfish Clarias sp. broodstock candidate. And our research team, Dr. Hasan Nasrullah, Dr. Agus Oman Sudrajat, Profesor Muhammad Zairin Junior, Profesor Alimuddin, and Profesor Widanatni. Catfish in Indonesia is one of popular fish. You know why? First, catfish had good meat quality, fast growth performance, and tolerant to extreme environment. Because of that, high demand production reached 1.39 million tons in 2020, and its prospect 1.65 million tons in 2024. So, production enhancement depend on availability of the broodstock continuous fry production and routine to spawning with artificial spawning. Catfish have serrated fascicula seminalis. It makes catfish can to stripping. So, to get catfish must be surging to get high and good quality sperm. This slide show enhancement sperm quality and gonadal maturation method like nutrition supplementation, hormone injection, and lesson puncture induction. So the other method, we can use probiotic supplementation. Probiotic are beneficial bacteria that give the host a health advantage when administered in appropriate quantities. Probiotic get from fish or shrimp gut, culture in growth media, and selection to be probiotic bacteria. Probiotic is easy application, high to production, and according to host need. Probiotic in aquaculture can increase growth performance, improve immunity systems, and increase reproduction performance. So, our recent study show the supplementation of Bacillus sp. 5 with 10 to the power of 8 CFU concentration after 6 weeks can increase reproduction parameters in female goldfish. So, how about male fish? How about the mechanism and what is induced? So, this study aimed to evaluate the effect of dietary Bacillus sp. 5 dietary probiotic supplementation in the spermatogenesis and sperm quality of male African catfish. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is trouble for this slide. Okay. I'm
Yeah, we wait
okay. Okay.
for a second.
Okay. I'm so
Okay.
sorry. Okay. Okay. Our research used C code as control or without probiotic. A with 10 to the power of 6 dose and B with 10 to the power of 6 dose treatment. Probiotic feed make with culture bacteria in media, centrifuge to get pellet bacteria, diluted and coating to the diet of 1% probiotic and 3% egg white. And supplemented diet were dried and stored to 5 temperature. This treatment used African catfish, male African catfish, distribute to 12 tank and fish were fed twice a day. These all parameters: survival rate and body weight, gonadosomatic index, semen quality, gene expression level, and testic histology. You can see the results show survival rate in last day treatment and fish body weight in 30 day and 60 day in 10 to the power of 8 probiotic dose show the significantly highest body weight. In testis histology, you can see the scoring testis description from 0, low score, until 4 score in high score. You can see that in day 30 and day 60 show probiotic treatment had accelerating spermatogenesis processes in male catfish. Next, in semen quality parameter like density, pH, volume, spermatocrit, and motility period, the results show that the treatment had the highest semen quality parameters compared to other treatments. And the last, reproduction gene expression level, you can see that day 30 follicle stimulating hormone beta probiotic treatment don't regulate compared to control. Follicle stimulating hormone beta receptor in day 30 and luteinizing hormone beta and luteinizing hormone receptor probiotic treatment increase compared to control. In day 60, you can see follicle stimulating hormone beta receptor, luteinizing hormone beta receptor treatment increase compared to control. And luteinizing hormone beta at the treatment increase compared to control. And we are conclude that the dietary probiotic supplementation of Bacillus sp and P5 could accelerate the spermatogenesis processes in the male African catfish and improve its sperm quality with to the power of 10 CFU, the best probiotic dose. This statement we are thanks to the Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education of the Republic of Indonesia. And we are probiotic research team. That's all about our research. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ibu Valencia Angelin, for amazing presentation.
I'm so sorry if this problem.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We because some of us already know that we are conducted in our house, in our home, and it's regular regularly have any problem about the connection. And for the next presentation, I invite Ibu Dian Novitasari.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, Ibu Dian Novitasari, please you can share your presentation and start to deliver your presentation. You're ready.
Okay, it's my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's already clearly seen here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Ibu Esti. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dian Novitasari from similar affiliation with Valencia Angelin from Department of Aquaculture, IPB University. On behalf of our research team, I would like to present our research result about molecular and physiological impact of dietary high carbohydrate in giant gourami that focusing on what happened inside the fish liver after a long time of high carbohydrate feeding. Carbohydrate is the most abundant energy source that has lower price compared to the protein. Fish farmers often add carbohydrates in their fish diet. Addition of carbohydrate at appropriate level in fish diet could reduce the feed cost, ammonia excretion, and increase the protein efficiency through the protein sparing effect mechanism. However, the efficiency of dietary carbohydrate utilization varies among fish species, and imbalance of carbohydrate levels could generate negative effects on the nutrient utilization and metabolism, liver morphology and function, body composition, fish health and growth rate. Giant gourami is one of the main local species in Indonesia and other South Asian countries that possess high demand and high price in local market due to their pleasant flavor. In its culture practice, these fish often fed with high carbohydrate diet along with plant-based diets such as giant taro, Alocasia macrorhiza, since this fish is reported to have a high carbohydrate utilization as its energy sources. However, there are still a lot of gaps in knowledge on several biological, physiological, molecular welfare, and in this phase after fed with high carbohydrate levels. So, to overcome the limitation, our study was aimed to explore the effect of high carbohydrate on the digestion, absorption, and main molecular component that have an important role in carbohydrate metabolism. The study also evaluated the physiological change of giant gourami to get better known if this fish really could efficiently utilize high carbohydrate without affecting its health and growth. The evaluation was focused on the liver since this tissue is the central of fish metabolism. They study two different carbohydrate levels that are 34% and 53%. Then we use giant gourami with average body weight 25 grams that treat for 60 days. Sampling, blood, and tissue collection were conducted on day 30 and 60 at 6 hours after feeding. Results on our study showed that the high carbohydrate significantly increased the amylase and protease activity. Meanwhile, the plasma glucose is significantly higher after long term of feeding. So this result indicate that a high carbohydrate feeding trigger high digestion, but so low the absorption rate after long-term feeding. The fish body could not absorb the glucose in blood efficiently, resulted in high plasma glucose level. Next, based on the transcriptomic data using RNA sequencing, we succeed to obtain 33,000 unigenes, and more than 2,000 unigenes were significantly different in both groups. High carbohydrate feeding mostly downregulate the disease related to the immune system and upregulated the disease which mainly related to metabolic process in the XC group. The result indicate that high carbohydrate feeding potentially decrease the immune system of this fish. And this is the schematic of carbohydrate metabolism in giant gourami according to the RNA sequencing and qPCR result. Each ellipse indicate one gene that encoding the enzyme. Yellow is significant upregulation, green is the downregulation, and white no significant between the HC group compared to the control. From our result, we found that high carbohydrate feeding for 30 days significantly increased the glycolysis, with the key genes are hexokinase, glucokinase, and pyruvate kinase that play a role to transfer the glucose into the ATP. Meanwhile, the insulin signaling is significantly lower, indicating inefficient glucose transportation. And then the gene related to the antioxidant system is also decreased, which means that high carbohydrate potentially reduce the antioxidative stress response in this fish. On day 60, the hexokinase and glucokinase is still higher in the XC group. This result marks the importance of these genes in high carbohydrate utilization in giant gourami. The genes related to the glycogenolysis and energy sensing is also higher expressed. And this result indicating that even the glycolysis is highly activated, the fish still need glycogenolysis to break down the glycogen as energy sources. The fish was able to break down high carbohydrate levels, but could not absorb or utilize it efficiently as also shown in the previous plasma glucose. Also, it's confirmed by the histology. We can see that from the high carbohydrate feeding, several liver damage showed, for example, hepatocyte hypertrophy, nucleus absent, and many lipid droplets. Later, from the HSE data, we can see that the HC group has higher hepatosomatic index and liver glycogen. As a result, from the several metabolic disturbance, liver damage, and also the indication of inefficient metabolism, giant gourami that fed with high carbohydrate has a significantly lower growth rate compared to the control. The fish body weight and growth rate after 30 days and 60 days of feeding was lower. However, there is no lethal effect caused by the feeding as no mortality was observed during the experiment. So from our study, several points could be concluded that in giant gourami with diet 25 grams, high carbohydrates increase the digestion activities but with low glucose absorption. upregulating metabolism genes, especially the hexokinase and glucokinase, but lowering the immune genes. The third, generate liver damage and metabolic stress resulted in decreased body weight and growth rate. Taking together, the high carbohydrate feeding of 53% could not be utilized efficiently by the giant gourami and potentially affecting its health. This result was funded by the Ministry of Research and Higher Education, Republic of Indonesia, through the PMD Subed 3, and this is the research team, Dr. Hasan Nasrullah, Dr. Zulekha Sari, Professor Muhammad Abu Suprayudi, and Professor Alimuddin. Thank you for the opportunity.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ibu Dian Novitasari, for the amazing presentation.
Thank you.
And we would like to move to Pak Imam Triwahyudi. Pak Imam. Okay, Pak Imam.
Yes.
You can share your presentation, and time is yours if you are ready, Pak.
Okay, wait. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the opportunity that allowed me to join the 4th International Symposium on Marine and Fisheries Research. I am Imam Triwahyudi, the representative of our research team, and will also present our research entitled Improvement of Growth Performance and Meat Quality of Striped Catfish Pangasius hypopthalamus Feed on the Diet Supplement with Cinnamon or Lysine. Our research team consists of Imam Triwahyudi, Dr. Dedi Jusadi, Dr. Mia Setiawati, and Dr. Julie Ekasari. We are from Fish Nutrition and Feed Technology Division in the Department of Aquaculture, Faculty Fisheries and Marine Science, IPB University. Okay, striped catfish or Pangasius fish is an important economic commodity which is widely produced in Asian countries, India and China. And it is considered as a popular white fish consumed globally, especially in United States and European Union, which have a high level consumption of Pangasius fish in fillet product. And to produce Pangasius fish, it must have a good meat quality, such as white color of meat, low fat content, and up to 1 kilogram in size. Unfortunately, Pangasius farmers face several problems, such as the high fat content of meat, growth, and also feed efficiency. This causes economic loss for farmers. As a solution, it can be done with the addition of ingredients that have a function to increase the utilization of carbohydrate and fat. Are cinnamon and lysine. Cinnamon has been used for anti-diabetic treatment for a long time ago. It has a physiological function such as insulin-like biological axis and fatty acid oxidation, which play a role in the increasing utilization of glucose and lipids. And an antioxidant, which is very good for suppressing oxidative stress, while lysine play a role in the formation of L-carnitine, which function to transport fatty acid to mitochondria for produce more energy. It is also widely used for the body muscle building process in the gym. The supplement is very suitable to be applied to striped catfish because it can increase the utilization of non-protein nutrients to produce more energy. At the same time, it can inhibit the process of body fat deposition. And the protein can be used as the building block for muscle mass. So striped catfish feed with this supplement will increase growth, feed efficiency, and also meat quality with low fat and high protein content. Therefore, this study aimed to evaluate the supplementations, cinnamon, lysine, and the combination on the liver health, growth performance, and meat quality of striped catfish. The design of this research used a completely randomized design with 4 diet treatment and 3 replication. The diet prepared according to the reference diet formulation in the table, then add supplement according to the treatment such as control, cinnamon 10 gram per kilogram, lysine 17 gram per kilogram, and combination lysine and cinnamon. The bioactive compound in the cinnamon shown in table 1 with cinnamaldehyde as the main bioactive compound. This study used striped catfish with initial weight 272 gram and length of 28 centimeter were obtained from farmer in Bogor. The experiment was conducted at Experimental Field Station of Aquaculture, IPB University. The 16 cages used for rearing fish with density 20 fish per cage under natural photoperiod. The diet was given to fish 3 times a day at 2 satiation level, and the experiment lasted for 60 days. The parameters observed were liver health, growth parameters, and meat quality. And the following are some of the instruments used in this study. Okay. For the first result is liver health. The graphs show 3 parameters of liver health are hepatosomatic index, liver lipid content, and MDA as antioxidant. The control show highest value in hepatosomatic index, lipid content, and MDA value, and the decrease in the HSE lipid content and MDA were significantly different from the control. Okay, this is the histology of the liver. The control treatment saw a large number of lipid droplets. The row indicates the presence of lipid droplets. It confirmed that the high hepatosomatic index is caused by lipid deposit in the liver, which is not good for liver health. Okay, the next is the growth performance. The growth performance show that the cinnamon and lysine treatment had excellent potential to increase growth performance seen from the SGR, and also increase feed and protein efficiency shown in FGR and PAR. But the combination seemed decrease in all growth performance parameters. So the use of the combination lysine and cinnamon here is not recommended. The next parameter is chemical meat quality. It is very clear that there is an increase in protein content and decrease in the lipid content, which is as the expected in this study. And the last meat quality parameters are color and texture. The picture on the left is the result of the fillet that's in white meat color. And quantitatively, the result also displayed in figure 4. L value is represent brightness, and it showed a significant increase for all treatment that the control. And the highest brightness is observed in the lysine and combination treatment. While the meat texture value is seen significantly in the hardness parameters. There is a high increased hardness in the cinnamon and lysine treatment and decrease in the combination treatment. From this research, a cinnamon or lysine can improve the quality of meat color and texture. So we conclude that the use of cinnamon 10 gram per kilogram or lysine 17 gram per kilogram on the diet independently can improve growth performance and also meat quality of striped catfish. But the combination of cinnamon and lysine is not recommended because it can reduce growth performance and meat quality. Thank you to the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia for providing funding for this research through the PMDISU scholarship. Thank you very much for your attention. Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, Pak Imam, thank you very much.